Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be talking about genomic imprinting. Okay, तो हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे genomic imprinting के बारे में. Okay, genomic imprinting. Then we will talk about Prader-Willi syndrome. ठीक है, and then we will talk about Angelman syndrome. Okay. तो एंजलमैन सिंड्रोम, ये तीन चीज हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे. तो जेनोमिक इम्प्रिंटिंग के अंदर ये प्रेडर विली सिंड्रोम आ जाता है और एंजलमैन सिंड्रोम भी आ जाता है. ओके, तो व्हाट इज जेनोमिक इम्प्रिंटिंग? पहले हम पढ़ते हैं व्हाट इज जेनोमिक इम्प्रिंटिंग. ओके, जेनोमिक इम्प्रिंटिंग इज डिफाइंड एज डिफरेंशियल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ जीन. इट्स डिफाइंड एज डिफरेंशियल expression of gene based on chromosomal inheritance, from maternal or paternal origin, तो इसका मीनिंग हम समझते हैं अभी क्या है. So let's understand the meaning. So what happens in a normal person? A parents get two alleles for a character. Okay, one from the mother and second from the father. Okay, तो दो alleles मिलता है. We get two alleles, one from the father and one from the mother. Normally these two alleles are similar. तो ये alleles जो होता है similar, but in some cases these alleles are differentially expressed. Either maternal gene becomes silent और paternal gene becomes silent. तो क्या होता है इसमें जेनोमिक इम्प्रिंटिंग में? समटाइम्स द मैटरनल जीन जो है वो becomes silent and sometimes paternal gene becomes silent. तो क्या होता है? समटाइम्स maternal gene becomes silent and sometimes paternal gene becomes silent. Okay, so this is what happens. तो क्या होता है उसके कारण? Then in such a condition, if the chromosome containing the gene which is expressed undergoes deletion, there will be disease. तो in such condition, जो chromosome which contain the gene, in such condition chromosome containing gene which is expressed undergoes deletion. Then क्या होगा? Undergoes deletion. Then what happens? This disease occurs. So इसमें क्या होता है? Either maternal chromosome is deleted or paternal chromosome is deleted. When maternal chromosome is deleted, we call it Angelman syndrome. Okay, maternal chromosome is deleted, we call it Angelman, and it is very easy to remember angels. Okay, mothers are like angels, so maternal chromosomes are deleted. Okay, then when paternal chromosomes are deleted, what we have Prader-Willi syndrome. Okay, so this is also easier to remember, P for paternal and P for Prader-Willi. So Angelman, remember ये 15 chromosome 15. Okay, and Prader-Willi also chromosome 15. So let's study in detail about Prader-Willi syndrome. Okay, Prader-Willi syndrome. Okay, Prader-Willi syndrome. What is the etiology? Okay, etiology, what does etiology means? Etiology means the causative agents. Okay, तो etiology में क्या आएगा? In case of deletion of paternal chromosome, तो क्या होता है? paternal chromosome delete होता है, इसके कारण आपको Prader-Willi syndrome दिखाई देता है. तो it is the most common cause in case of deletion of paternal chromosome. Okay, number 2 is uniparental disomy. Okay, that means what happens? Only maternal chromosome is expressed and the paternal chromosome is not expressed. So uniparental, only one parent chromosome are expressed. So only maternal chromosome is expressed. So the paternal chromosome, it is not expressed. So what will happen? Paternal is not there. So deletion of paternal chromosome, that means Prader-Willi syndrome. Okay. Number 3 reason is decrease in SNORP proteins. SNORP proteins. Okay. So these are small nuclear RNA proteins. So when there is decrease in SNORP proteins, we also see Prader-Willi syndromes. Now let's see what are the clinical features of Prader-Willi syndromes. Number 1 is mental retardation. So the patient is mentally retarded. Okay. We see obesity in the patient. Okay. Then obesity, why do we see? Due to a hormone named as ghrelin. Okay. So ghrelin is a gut hormone, okay, which increase food intake capacity, which increase food intake property. Okay. लाइक ग्रेलिन, ये ग्रेलिन जो हार्मोन है, it increase food intake property, and this is secreted in your Prader-Willi syndrome. That's why the patient is obese. Okay, we see mental retardation, then we see obesity, then we see hypotonia, and we also see hypogonadism. Okay, in Prader-Willi syndrome. So this was about Prader-Willi syndrome. Now we will talk about Angelman syndrome. Angelman syndrome. ठीक है? So what is the etiology of Angelman syndrome? Maternal deletion of maternal chromosome. Okay? And then uniparental disomy. Same like Prader-Willi syndrome. Prader-Willi में क्या हुआ था? जो uniparental disomy was shown by maternal chromosome. Here it is shown by paternal chromosome. Okay, ठीक है? So now how we will remember the clinical features of आपका Prader-Willi syndrome. So Angelman syndrome. So mothers are like angels, and Indian subcontinent mothers wear sari. Okay, so we will remember it like that. Sari stands for S for scissors, A for ataxia, R for retardation, mental retardation, and I for inappropriate laughter. Okay, and that's why the patient is also known as an happy puppet. Okay, patient is also known as happy puppet. So these are the two syndromes we studied in genomic imprinting. There are some other syndromes and diseases which are included in genomic imprinting. They are genomic imprinting other than Prader-Willi and Angelman. They are McCune, Albright dystrophy. Okay, ठीक है? And then we have got Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome. Okay, so ये आपको याद रखना है. Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome and McCune-Albright dystrophy are also present in genomic imprinting. So this was all about genomic imprinting, your Prader-Willi syndrome and Angelman syndrome.